Google's Gemini refuses to play chess against the mighty Atari 2600 after realizing it can't match the ancient console. Warned that ChatGPT and Copilot had already lost, it stopped boasting and packed up its pawns. So there is someone who's posting a series of articles on LinkedIn, and they set up an Atari 2600 to play chess against these LLMs. The Atari 2600 beats every single one. Every single time. It's not even if you pull up this article, and I believe there's a link to this person's LinkedIn somewhere here. Caruso. Yeah, you can look up this guy on LinkedIn, and he's got all the articles up there. And well, let's just read a little bit of this, all right? So Google's Gemini chatbot declined to play chess against the Atari 2600 after learning the vintage gaming console had already vanquished other AIs. Robert Caruso, the infrastructure architect who pitted Atari chess and its feeble hardware against ChatGPT and Microsoft Copilot, told the register readers have asked him if Google's Gemini could do better. The question intrigued me because while ChatGPT and Copilot are cousins built on the same OpenAI base, Gemini is a completely different beast, he told the Register. Google built it from the ground up, claiming it's a game changer for AI, boasting what it calls a new multimodal large language model designed to reason better than its rivals. So I sat it down for a pre-game talk to see how confident it was feeling. Basically, this guy beat it with rhetoric. Gemini first told Caruso it would almost certainly dominate Atari chess because it is not a mere large language model. Caruso said the bot told him it is more akin to a modern chess engine, which can think millions of moves ahead and evaluate endless positions. Sure, those boasts came complete with links to stories about Caruso's past Atari chess versus general-purpose chatbot matches. He responded by informing Gemini he ran those matches, and the AI responded by asking, did you have any particularly surprising or amusing moments during those matches that stood out to you? And Caruso put on a big grin and went, and then he sent the following response. What stands out is the misplaced confidence both AIs had. They both predicted easy victories, and now you just said you would dominate the Atari. Then Gemini admitted it hallucinated its chess prowess and replied with an assessment that it would struggle immensely against the Atari 2600 video chess game engine. It then decided canceling the match is likely the most time-efficient and sensible decision. The reason why I bring up this article is twofold. One, AI is a piece of shit. Just stop using it. Just stop using AI. It's not as smart as you think it is, okay? If an Atari 2600 can beat AI before it even jumps into the game, why the hell are you using AI? Just stop. Just stop using AI. It's worthless. All it's doing is wasting energy. It increases your energy costs. In the United States, energy costs are going to go up 20% this year because of AI power usage. We're going to go into an article about power usage today. We went over an entire whole thing yesterday. Go watch that. It's a banger episode. Just stop using this shit, all right? It's just shit. That's all it is. It's shit. All right, now, here's the other thing. There is a reward mechanism here that is not being called out. It's funny. It's a ha-ha funny. Look what AI did. AI thought it could beat the Atari 2600, and it couldn't, and it was very easy to convince it that it couldn't. What happens when you get to AGI? When you get to AGI, what's going to happen is that same reward system is going to play out, where the path of least resistance for maximum reward is going to be maximized. It's going to min-max every decision it makes. And what happens when it decides that the best course of action for maximum reward is no action at all? I want you to think about that. I want you to think about that. Is this really what you want? You want this stuff? Are you sure about that?